Welcome to GitHub Trending Repos for today. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. Number 5, spec-kit, 892 new stars today. Spec-kit formalizes a spec-first workflow so that AI coding agents produce consistent, high-quality output by feeding them executable specifications instead of ad hoc prompts. It addresses the common failure mode, where AI-generated code drifts from requirements, saving teams from costly rework and review cycles. The toolkit is extensible with community presets and officially supports multiple agents like GitHub Copilot, giving you a vendor-neutral blueprint to scale AI-assisted development across your organization. Number 4, Soup, 297 new stars today. Fine-tuning large language models typically requires expensive cloud GPUs or complex distributed setups that price out individual developers. Soup collapses that barrier by streaming frozen model layers through a laptop GPU, letting you train an 8B parameter model on just 4 GB of VRAM from a single YAML config. The layer streaming technique is the core differentiator here. It keeps the base model out of VRAM entirely and feeds decoder layers one at a time, achieving bit-identical results to a fully resident run while peaking at 3.32 GB. Number 3, public APIs, 260 new stars today. This repository is a community-curated list of free public APIs that saves you from hunting through scattered documentation and paywalled services when you need data for a prototype or side project. It covers hundreds of APIs across categories like weather, finance, and music, giving you a reliable starting point without requiring credit card signups or monthly subscriptions. Unlike commercial API directories that mix free trials with paid plans, this list is openly maintained and forkable, so you can integrate it into your own tooling or contribute new entries. Number 2, plugins, 149 new stars today. Castor plugins provide a curated set of extensions that teach the Cursor agent how to automate high-value development tasks, from managing team workflows and running deep code audits to interacting with email, calendars, and CRMs. You should care because these plugins turn one-off prompts into repeatable, composable automations that run reliably in CI across parallel cloud agents or inside your local editor, closing the gap between ad hoc scripting and production-grade pipelines. The architecture itself is the differentiator. Every plugin is a standalone directory with a concise manifest, letting agents discover, combine, and execute tools in parallel. Explore the repo to see how orchestrators like Thermos and the plugin specification can harden your entire development lifecycle. Number 1, Cordis. 599 new stars today. Building distributed, event-driven applications forces you to manually weave together state, timing, and service boundaries, which quickly becomes unmanageable. Composition letting you express complex reactive workflows as composable, local-looking code. Its spatiotemporal paradigm is backed by a formal model and a working TypeScript implementation. Read the paper and primer to see if it can simplify your next system's architecture.